One Piece's lovable protagonist, Monkey D. Luffy, is a pirate renowned for his rubber body, something granted to him by the Gum Gum fruit. This enchanted edible fruit is one of the devil fruits, which impact a wide range of powers to the various characters in the series that have eaten them. Despite how often they appear, the fruit are incredibly rare within the One Piece world, making them highly sought after, a fact that's only bolstered by their incredible power. For this reason, some within the series have sought to create their own fake devil fruits, making it so that their amazing powers are instantly accessible. However, these fake devil fruits are the smile fruits, which are just as likely to ruin a pirate's life as they are to make them all powerful. But what are smile devil fruits? The smile fruits are essentially artificial Zoan devil fruits. Zoan devil fruits are among the most powerful in the series and allow their consumers to transform from a human to an animal, along with an in-between hybrid form. This gives them incredible strength, benefiting their new animal transformation, making them frighteningly deadly. The smile fruit strongly resembles the artificial devil fruit that Vegapunk once created. But instead of mysterious scientists, they are created by Doflamingo and Caesar Clown. Using Clown's top secret sad chemical formula, the substance is delivered down to the ordinary fruit trees in Clown's laboratory, transforming them into smile fruits. Doflamingo and Clown provides these fruits to the Beast Pirate, who gained their name from the powers that fruits granted them. This shows their similarities to Zoan devil fruits, but there are also several key differences that make smile fruit particularly dangerous. So what is the difference between smile fruits and the true devil fruits? Like real Zoan devil fruits, smile fruits give their users a great strength, turning them into lethal warriors. However, this strength is inferior to that granted by the real things. However, likewise, where Zoan fruits users can completely transform into beasts, smile fruits users have random parts of their bodies permanently changed. Example includes Shiphead having a head of a ship and hands that are horn of a ram. Likewise, Madillo Man has an armadillo shell on his back. The fruit are all named after the animal properties they have granted and don't have individual names like devil fruit does. Consumers also gain certain physical abilities analogous to their animal forms, such as Alpaca Man being able to shoot his saliva with projectile force. One major weakness, however, is that they are not granted all of these physical properties, which can leave them vulnerable while using these powers. For instance, Gazella Man has the speed of his namesake, but not the endurance, which means he can only run fast for so long. Another weakness is that, like true devil fruits, smile fruits also permanently renders their user's ability to swim. It's worth noting that this strength only comes if the fruit actually do anything. The formula for SAD is incomplete and extremely volatile, meaning that only 10% of the smile fruit actually grant people power. For the other 90% fruits, which don't grant them any strength but plenty of weaknesses, they still lose their ability to swim but also lose the ability to express negative emotions. This means that they will literally smile through the most tragic events, no matter how traumatic. These side effects are still felt even if the users only eat half of the devil fruit. Those who are cursed, these after effects are referred to as pleasures. Perhaps the only real positive guarantee of the smile fruit is that, unlike real devil fruits, they apparently taste great. The SAD factory where they were produced was eventually destroyed. However, so aside from those already produced devil fruits, it's likely that these fake devil fruits won't cause anyone to grind anytime soon. So that was all the information we have about widely unpredictable smile devil fruits in the One Piece world. What are your thoughts about these devil fruits? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and also let me know which is your favorite character from One Piece. Let me know those things in the comment section down below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories, and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe. And that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.